on this computer. Yep, guys. Yeah. So I will tell you. Guys, did you created the AWS? Did you created the GitHub account, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yes, guys, I created a 360-degree Linux AWS freshers. This is the link, guys. So I will paste it in this chat. This is the link. I'm uploading whatever I'm writing the painting and everything, right? I will upload it in the day 1, day 2, up to day 20, day 30, guys. And I will upload it every day recording here. I will upload it in the YouTube and I will update it in the here, guys. So this is the images, the class one, the first class images. These are the images, guys. You guys can check it. Yeah, every day, day 1, day 2, and this is the YouTube link, guys. If you click that YouTube link, that if you click it, it will automatically go to the 360-degree playlist, guys. It automatically go to the 360 playlist, and I uploaded the all the 3 recordings. I uploaded all the 3 recordings. And if you want to go only particular day 1 video, you can directly click it this one, guys. It automatically open the day 1 video. It automatically opens the day 1 video. So if you guys want to, if you want to use the YouTube and learn DevOps complete AWS zero to hero, you guys can click it directly. And this is the my Instagram, guys. So I'm posting jobs updates everything in the Instagram, guys. You guys can follow this Instagram, guys. I pasted in the chat also. I pasted in the chat also. So you guys can click it and follow it. Okay, the Zoom chat I pasted it. So the same like ways every day. So the day 2, whatever the images, right? Day 1, day 2 images. So I uploaded in the day 2, and the link also I provided. A link also provided the second day video recording. So the same way, third day also. The same way, third day also I provided the recording video and the images. Guys, now you understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you guys can watch it. So every day I will upload the day, guys. For example, 3 days completed, right? The 3 days I uploaded. So tomorrow I will upload the. So today or tomorrow I will upload the. So tomorrow I will upload the fourth day. Okay, you can watch it from here. Guys, understood? So yeah, you guys are getting the notification, right? The that YouTube notification. Once I uploaded, you got the if you are subscribed, you will get the notification, guys. You will get the notification, guys. Once I hello, yeah, guys. So whenever I upload the recording, right, you guys can get the notification, guys. Yeah, please subscribe. Yeah. So what we discussed yesterday, guys. Now you understood where I am uploading all the documents, guys.
Yeah.
Now you understood,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah. So you can get it from that link, guys. You can get it from I already uploaded in the channel. So and if you want, I can upload every day. I can upload it in the recording also, guys. Okay, in the comments, YouTube recording comments also, I will upload it. Okay, yeah, guys. So we'll go to the today. So today, what we will discuss, guys, we will discuss. So how we can install. Yeah. So this is the your Windows mission. On top of your Windows mission. So for example, this is your laptop. On this laptop, you installed the Windows, guys. So which you installed? You installed the Windows 10, right? Installed the Windows 10. So you can install the Oracle virtual VirtualBox software. Oracle VirtualBox software. So this Oracle VirtualBox act as a virtualization. So act as a virtualization. So for example, your resources, your configuration is, so your configuration is something like a 16 GB RAM. What is that, guys? 16 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM and 12 CPU and so 500 GB hard disk. So 500 GB hard disk. So for installing the Windows, for installing the Windows, so took uh, it took 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU, 2 CPU and 50 GB of hard disk. 50 GB of hard disk, guys. The remaining, so if you install the Oracle VirtualBox, so the virtualization on our software on our Windows machine, so it will it will freely available the resources. The remaining resources will be freely available if you install the VirtualBox. Then you can install the number of OSs. You can install the number of OSs. So if you want, you can install your Windows machine again, a Windows. So Windows or something like you have only the you want to only install the CentOS 7. You can install the CentOS 7. CentOS 7. The same way yesterday I showed you, right, the virtualization concept. So in the virtualization, so two companies are provided the virtualization softwares. What is that? So VMware company and Oracle company. Oracle company. So Oracle company, they created the virtualization softwares. For example, so what is the Oracle company? Oracle company virtualization software is Oracle VirtualBox. So Oracle VirtualBox software we can install in our Windows machine. Then so you can install the Windows based on the resources. Based on the resources, you can install the number of OSs. So tomorrow we will today we will install CentOS 7, CentOS 7 on your a Windows mission. So Windows mission. So what are the prerequisites, guys? So what are the prerequisites? So one is, so we need a OVM software. OVM a software. And second one is, for installing the OVM software, we need a VS Code. So VS C++ 2019 software. So there is a dependency between dependency. The third one is we need to download the ISO CentOS 7 ISO file. So it will be a 4 GB file. So to download the download the CentOS 7 ISO file for installing the CentOS 7 on your mission. On your mission, guys, what we need? So we need these three softwares. So right, I want to download the Oracle virtual mission. Go to the Oracle virtual box download. So go to the official document. There is a www.oraclevirtualbox.com. Go to here and go to the downloads. Go to the downloads. So it will be download for the different platforms. For example, Windows, if you are using Mac, if you are using Linux. So for example, our mission is Windows mission. I'm downloading the Oracle VirtualBox 7.018. So for the Windows mission. Yeah, it's downloaded. It's a downloaded. Let's check, guys. Control panel. First, I want to check the Oracle virtual machine. Yeah, I want to delete everything. Remove, delete all files. Remove, delete all files. Yeah. So I'm uninstalling the. I already installed the Oracle VirtualBox. I'm trying to uninstall the Oracle VirtualBox, guys. So because of I want to install it again, right? So go to the program files, programs and features. and go to the Oracle Virtual Box. Yeah, this is the Oracle Virtual Box. You can uninstall the Oracle Virtual Box. Yeah, meanwhile you already downloaded the Oracle Virtual Box, right? So VS C++. So VS C++ Redistable 2015 or 2019, guys. I need it. Yeah, so go to here and you can download it from here. So Ocean, you can download anything, guys. You can download permanent latest support is x86.4. So this is the x86.4. So you can download it, guys. And so we need to download the CentOS 7 ISO, right? CentOS 7 ISO download. ISO download. This is the official website for www.centos.org. So go to the centos.org and so what is that, guys? The x84 64. Hey, it is directly installed downloading. 1 second. CentOS streamer. x80 64. It automatically download. Oh, CentOS 99 downloading. 1 second, guys. CentOS 7 ISO download 64-bit. Why it is showing directly 9? CentOS 8 stream end of the builds May 31. CentOS 7 end of the life June 30. Oh, so June 30 it was ended, guys. So this is the CentOS 7.9. So CentOS 7 downloads. Yeah, so this is the link, guys. This is the link. You guys can directly download this CentOS 7. So I'm pasting in the chat. So this is the link, guys. You guys can directly download it. Yeah, the site cannot be reached. ISO redirect to login reload. Oh, guys. CentOS 7 ISO download. Techmint public resources. Techmint ISO. Yeah, this is the David ISO. Direct into ISO direct. So this is also not showing. Close. Yeah, guys, no worries. I will upload this to. I downloaded the CentOS 7, guys. No worries. CentOS 7 ISO DVD. Okay. So I will upload it. So I will upload it to 360-degree materials. Yeah, 360 degrees. Upload a file, guys. So directly I'm dragging and dropping. Usually that's a big file. Try again with a similar than 250 MB. Oh. So it is a size of guys, no worries. I will upload it in the drive also, guys. So I will upload it in my drive and I will access to you guys. Okay. Or else I will upload it here today. Okay. Yeah. So I have already CentOS 7 ISO downloaded. Okay. Preparing to remove still. Yes. And that MS, so this one also we need to remove and install. Yeah, so I will uninstall this one also. Yeah, so so there is no Oracle virtual machine on my machine, guys. There is no Oracle virtual machine on my laptop now. So I am installing first. So first we need to install the Visual Studio C++ 2019 because of it is a dependency for the Oracle virtual machine, Oracle virtual machine software. Mm, downloads. Yeah, I'm clicking on the software, guys. Yeah, I clicked on this. I clicked on this Redis software VC. So VC 2015. Yeah, I'm installing first. Yeah, if it is installed, then you will install the Oracle Virtual World. Just double click, guys, it automatically install. Guys, you know, right, how to install the any software on Windows. Guys, you know, let's speak out. Do you know or no? You don't know.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know, na? You just double click whatever you downloaded, right? Just double click or run as an administrator. It automatically install, guys. It automatically install. Just it is asking next, next, next. So then it is finish. So right. So we install the Oracle Virtual Box. So you see. So once you search it, it automatically showing Oracle Virtual Box is installed. So Oracle Virtual Box is installed. So now you are trying to install the. So install the CentOS 7 on your Windows machine. CentOS 7. So your hardware, once we install the Oracle VirtualBox, your hardware, whatever the freely available resource, right? We can use it. We can use it in the virtual machine. For example, I'm trying to install the CentOS 7, right? Name CentOS 7. So the type is Red Hat Linux and type is Red Hat. Cannot overwrite the machine folder. So for example, let's check. Mm, Control C. We'll delete everything, guys. Okay, now I'm creating CentOS 7. Yes, right? CentOS 7. Next. So yeah, guys, I have a 16 GB RAM and I have a 8 CPU. I have a 8 CPU. I just use it for only 2 GB. I just use 2 GB and the 1 CPU for installing the CentOS 7. So how much I used, guys? So how much I have? I have 16 GB of RAM and 8 CPU. For installing the Windows, 4 GB is 4 GB and 2 CPU. We left, right. We have only 14 GB. We have only 12 GB of RAM. So instead of 12 GB, in the 12 GB, we took the 2 GB for installing the CentOS 7. So we took the 1 CPU for installing the CentOS 7. Right. Next. Yeah. So you have a 2 TB of a space. You have a 2 TB of a space. In that 2 TB of a space, I used only 20 GB. I'm using only 20 GB for installing the CentOS 7. So CentOS 7. Right, finish. Yes, so I provided the information. I provided the information, and I want to install the CentOS 7, right? We need to provide the ISO file to for installing the CentOS 7. Where I need to add that ISO, you can add it in the storage, right? The settings. So go to the settings and go to the. So you see, guys, general. This is the CentOS 7 and the system. So 2 GB, and the processor 1 CPU took, and display the storage you took the 20 GB for the installing the OS. Here we need to add our ISO file. Remove. So right click and remove attachment, and so you see, so if you click here, it automatically shows the add a hard disk, add a optical drive. I want to add a optical drive, right? So add a optical drive, uh, create a optical drive, add a optical drive, the downloads. Yeah, what is that file, guys? CentOS 7 ISO DVD. So then choose it, guys. Then choose it. Yeah, you added a, what you added? You added the CentOS 7 DVD ISO file. So what is that, guys? CentOS 7 DVD ISO file. This is for installing the CentOS 7 on your mission, right, guys? Network, we need a network, right? We need a internet, we need a network for this, right? IP address, right? Internet, if you want to allow, if you want a internet on a Linux machine, we need a network, right? The first one, NAT, you can select the NAT. The second one, you can select the bridge adapter, and third one, you can select the host only. You can select host only adapter. NAT adapter, you can select the first, you can, it is already selected the NAT. The second adapter, you can select the bridge. The third adapter, you can select host only. Host only, you provided the network and storage and ISO, then the configuration, processor and RAM, and the storage 20 GB for installation, then okay. So everything is everything is configured. You just install the CentOS 7. So then you can click the, so then you can click the start button. What is that, guys? You can click the start button. Yeah, you see, so powering up the VM. So powering up the VM, guys. So this called, so this is the physical, right? So this is the physical physical mission. This is a physical mission. So this call it as a virtual mission. This call it as a virtual mission. So this is a virtual mission or a VM. For example, this is a VM. So 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 this virtual missions we can use for the, for something like a development environment and a QA environment, because of we don't need that much big amount of servers, because of the people accessing people only below 10 members. That the reason we need. So this much is this much amount of servers is sufficient. Yeah, guys, it started. So it is asking test this media and install, or you can install directly. So guys, you can right click, no, so you can click it here, then up and arrow, there is a up arrow, right? And the navigation keys in the keyboard. So up arrow, it will, so it is changing, right? It is changing, troubleshooting, test the Miss media, install and install the CentOS 7. Yes, I selected, and I selected, and then enter. If you enter it, it will install the CentOS 7. It will install the CentOS 7 on your mission. On your mission. So it will ask, guys, it will ask where we need to install, and the language. You see, it will ask everything, guys. I will show you once it is started. Yeah. So guys, the screen shows. So you need to select the language. You need to select the, you need to select the language. Yeah, you can select the, my mouse integrate not working out. Yeah. So you can select the, click the continue. Yes. So it is asking the installation source where you need to install the installation source, guys. Installation destination. Yeah, done. Yeah. So then, yeah, you guys select the begin installation, guys. The begin installation, it will start the CentOS 7. It will start at the CentOS 7 installation. So in here, it is asking the root password and user creation. It is asking the root password and user creation. So for root user, I will show you guys, no worries. I will show you root user. So we can set the password for the root user. So what is the password we are setting? Just a red hat is the password. So whatever you want, you can take it, but just I'm taking red hat for the simple. So once the 101 package is installing, once the 304 package installation completed, the OS will be installation will be completed. So once we reboot the OS, so it will be ready for the use. It will ready for the use. So my mouse pointer is not working. Yeah, your mouse pointer will work. You just click the whatever I clicked. Okay. Now you understood, guys, how to install the CentOS 7 OS on your Windows machine. Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not?
No, sir.
No, no.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. You just what you can do, you can install, you can download the Oracle Virtual Machine software. Then you can install this one. Then you can install it. First, you need to install this one, guys. First, you can install this one. Then you can install this one. Then you downloaded the CentOS 7. Then you can install your CentOS 7 on this virtual machine. So how much GB of RAM are you using, guys? What is your configuration? What is your laptop configuration, guys? Do you know? Guys, yes, 8 GB RAM, 256 SSD, and 1 TB hard disk, Intel i5 processor, or it lead to any complication. So 8 GB, it will slow, but you can install. You can install in 8 GB. You can try to install Arvind, and let's see if it is any performance issue, you can delete it. Okay. Yep. Thank you. So you can download the softwares and you can install it, guys. It is very easy, right? Guys, pick out. Nagarani left. Nagarani, you there? Abdul Balakit. Yesterday, someone, the name I forgot. Guys, it is very simple, guys. It is simple to install the Linux OS. Okay. You guys watch the recording again. It will be easy, guys. Or else you can check it in the my YouTube channel. So many installation VM installation videos are there. You guys can go through it and install the Windows CentOS 7 on your machine, guys. Tomorrow you guys can ready with your CentOS 7 mission. Okay. So 8 GB RAM and 256 ROM. Yeah, you can use. Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 also you can use, no worries. So I'm using Ryzen. I am also using Ryzen. HP. But I'm using the 16 GB of RAM. Sir, 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB. Yeah, you guys can try. Actually, it will be slow, definitely. But let's try, guys. Let's try. So we will show you how to launch, how to install the CentOS 7 on again in the AWS also, guys. So we will do same thing on the AWS also, but so here we are doing the manual things, but AWS it will be a one click, guys. So it will be a one click, it automatically so launch the or launch is nothing but install the CentOS 7. So if you know the how to install manually, so that time it will be very easy, guys. So that's the reason I'm telling these manual process also. Okay, okay, speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that guy. Who is your name? What is your name?
Satyreddy.
Your good name? Huh?
Satyreddy.
Saturday,
Satyreddy.
Saturday, Saturday. Now you understood, right? How to install Windows 7? Sorry, CentOS 7, Saturday.
Once I have to watch recordings after.
So after you want, yeah, I will give you a clue again. Yeah, the first step is step 1. Guys, step 1 is VS C++ 2019 software download. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
download and install. So the second step is step 2 is OVM, Oracle Virtual Machine. So download and install. So the second step is download and install. Guys, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then third is step 3. Step 3, just download the CentOS 7 ISO image. So why we need to download this image? For installing the
CentOS.
yeah, for installing the CentOS 7 on your OVM, Oracle Virtual Machine, right? So once these three done, right? After that, once three is done, after that, so go to the search bar and search the Oracle Virtual Box. So it will show. Then click it. Then click it. Yeah. So it will open your virtual box manager. Then you just click the new and you can create a Red Hat or CentOS 7. Then next, yeah, the same as it is. You guys, you can use the default ones and the 20 GB also default one. Just finish it. Just finish it. So what is that HP VirtualBox? So AD 20 GB cannot register the hard disk key. Box CDI CHD already exist.
Sir, without installing OVM, we cannot install Linux in our.
We cannot install in Linux because of yeah. So this is the hardware, guys. So this is the, for example, this is the hardware. How you can interact with this hardware, guys? Hardware knows only the binary language. How you can interact with this hardware?
Through operating systems.
To operating system. So you install the operating system already. Which operating system you installed?
Windows.
Windows. So Windows 10 is already installed. So you are trying to install the CentOS 7. Again, you need
Linux
to
operating system.
Linux operating system. So it will not take because of it's already installed the Windows 7. It's already installed the Windows 7. In one hardware, we will install only one OS. So I want to install a multiple OS that we need a OVM. I want to install a multiple OSs on my hardware. So what is the solution, guys? The solution is OVM,
OVM.
Oracle Virtual Machine. If you install the Oracle Virtual Machine, it act as a virtualization. This hardware so act as a virtualization, and so they will give the resources freely. They will give the resources freely, and then you will install the virtual machines. So how many you want, you can install based on the configuration. Based on the configuration. Guys, got it?
We can install multiple operating systems. If
We
I
can
want to
install.
install another operating system, then we can
Yes,
install
yes, we can
once we
install
install it.
Windows. Yeah, we can install CentOS 7, Red Hat, Windows, Ubuntu, Sun Solaris. So whatever it may be, guys, you can install it.
Okay, sir,
Okay.
understood.
The
Thank you.
OVM is act as a virtualization. OVM is act as a virtualization. So
Understood.
OVM act as a virtualization. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, record. Is it also act as a basic things? So 1 second, guys. I will show you. Hmm. So data center you already knows, right, guys? So the virtualization, so virtualization concept. So creating a virtual machine over the existing operating system and hardware is referred as a virtualization. So virtual machines provide an environment that is a logically separated from the underlying hardware. So that is logically separated for the underlying hardware. The machine on which the virtual machine is created is known as a host machine, and virtual machine is referred as a guest machine. So the virtual machine is managed by the software or a firmware which is known as a hypervisor. So which is known as a hypervisor. So before virtualization, single OS image permission, single OS image permission. OS means operating system, software and hardware tightly coupled. So running multiple applications on the same mission often creates a conflict, and you are underutilizing the resources, inflexible and costly infrastructure. So on
Hello,
costly.
sir.
Hello.
Sir, the Facebook has created it application and it deployed on its server, and that
Mm,
server is placed in data center, sir.
server is placed in data center. So
Any
why we are going for the data center?
for rental space of our server to keep it active for
What they are
everyone.
providing?
They are providing rental space for
Rental
placing our
space.
server,
So on the other thing is, so they are
internet
providing the
connection and
internet and power
power
backup,
backup.
high availability. That means high availability. They will provide the high availability 99.999 percentage. High availability means they will provide the power backup and internet backup, multiple internet and backups.
So
So right.
Facebook company is placing its server in data centers.
Definitely. So every
For that,
application, whatever
they
it
are
may
paying
be, if
money.
it they are paying the money.
Okay,
So Facebook having the lot of servers, right? Because of the universe, Facebook is using the universe, but this server is only sufficient for the 25,000 people. right? The
Yes.
lakhs of people are using the Facebook, right? These
Yes, sir.
servers are not sufficient. Then that time, so the number of servers are there. The number of servers are installed the OSs and deployed the code, and they will create as a load balancer. So when hits comes from here, the hits comes. So here there is a load balancer. So based on the traffic, it will go to the this server, this server, this server, this server. Guys, understood? Every application will be deployed on the server only. Finally, every application will be deployed on the server only. If it is a Facebook, if it is a Gmail, if it is a WhatsApp, if it is a Orkut or whatever it may be, guys. So if
Sir,
you are
it is a
searching
single server or multiple servers?
Facebook,
Sir.
yes, Facebook is deployed on multiple servers. So if you want to drag, I will show you a shortcut. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so so for example, these all are the servers. Okay. So these all are the
Facebook
servers.
server. Completely.
Servers, yeah, for example Facebook servers. So the code is the Facebook code is deployed on these servers, right?
Okay, sir.
These servers. So these servers, so it is linked to the load balancer. The concept is load
Link to the balance.
balancer. So load balancer, right? So this is a load balancer. So this is a load balancer. So for example, Satyreddy hitting a Facebook website on your browser, right?
Okay, sir.
So Satyreddy hitting a Facebook page, Facebook URL www.facebook.com. So you hit the URL www.facebook.com.
Okay, sir.
So that browser that over the internet it searches. So it searches over the internet. It searches through the which protocol?
HTTP.
Very good. HTTP or HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. Which
Protocol.
text it will show, guys? So
HTTP.
in the browser, right? Browser knows only .html, right? Dot,
Okay, sir. Dot
right?
HTTP. Yes.
.html or .http. Browser supports only how we can see the pages. We can see the pages through the HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. What is that, guys? Hypertext transfer protocol. So once you hit the Facebook, it will search where the our Facebook application deployed. So it searches so through the load balancer. For example, so some other people, Hari, Vamshi, Soumya, that Rakesh, everyone is hitting the hitting the website, guys. So the load, based on the load of the server, it will transfer to other servers. For example, you are hitting the load balancer. For example, so this guy will hit to directly to the this server. This guy will directly hit to the this server. This guy will directly hit to the this server. This guy will directly hit to the this server. So wherever the server is in free, right, that hit will goes to the that server, freely available server. Now you understood? These all are the servers. These all are the servers. These servers are deployed deployed in the data center. Data
Sir,
center. Yes.
any data leakages uh, in this session?
In this, yeah.
Data,
So they are using the security firewalls, something like the firewall security firewall is nothing but a FortiGate. They are using the security, guys. Definitely they will follow the security. So every company having the SecOps, security operational engineers. So they will, so the system related SecOps and application related SecOps. So they will handle the that leakages. Good question. Saturday, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So every application will be deployed on the server. That application will be kept on the data center only. So before they are using the data centers, so nowadays we are using the cloud.
Sir,
So
to deploy the
hmm,
application into the servers, those servers must need a Linux operating system.
Any operating system. If it is a Windows or if it is a some, for example, you deployed the you wrote the code as a .NET, right?
Okay, sir.
.NET language. Through .NET language, you wrote the code, right? So .NET is supports for the only which servers? Windows servers, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you install the Windows. Install the Windows Server 2012 or 20, whatever it may be. Then you deployed that ASP.NET application. You guys understood?
Sir, in
So
server we must need Tomcat server, web server. We must install that on the
if it
server.
is a Java, we need a, so you wrote the code through Java, we need a Tomcat, right? You write the Java through you write the code through .NET. What you need? IIS is the web server for .NET. Python, I don't know exactly. Python, what is the Python web server, guys? Spark Pya. I also don't know, but there is a for Python also they have a web server. Okay. Yeah. So the installation is completed. You need to reboot the server. You need to reboot the server. So once you click the reboot button, then it will reboot, guys. Then it will reboot. So Linux is a GUI or CLI, guys. So Linux is a CLI or GUI operating system.
CLI.
CLI. So CLI means command line. So how you can interact, how you can operate your Linux machine through commands only. How you can operate your Linux machine through commands only. Guys, understood? Yeah. So this is the CentOS 7 server. So what is the password we set for which user? Root user. So root user is the administrator user. So Windows also. So administrator user is the administrator user. Root, I set the password as a Red Hat. I set the password as a Red Hat. Yeah. So we logged into the server. We logged into the Linux server. Let's check the what is the version of the OS is installed. Red Hat -release. So what is the version of the OS installed, guys? So what is the version of the OS installed? CentOS Linux release 7.9. CentOS 7 is installed on this virtual machine. Virtual machine. Guys, understood?
Can I call my laptop as a server? Means after installing the
Yes. That's
Linux.
the reason. That's the reason I'm installing the virtual machine. So from now onwards, so this is your data center, guys. What it is? So this is your, for example, your laptop as a data center. Please assume. So your laptop as a data center. So where you are deploying your application, you are deploying your application in the data center. So where is the data center? Data center is Oracle Virtual Machine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the data center, the servers. So the servers are in the Chennai data center. For example, Chennai. So your virtual vision, something like this is in the Chennai mission. You are in Hyderabad. So how to connect the server? So we'll show you tomorrow, guys. So we'll discuss tomorrow the file system hierarchy. So what is the file system hierarchy means? Yeah. So in your laptop you have a C and D drives, right? C drive is, what is the C drive, guys? So what is the C drive? So are you creating anything in the C drive, guys? So C drive is, yeah, you can install latest version also. Just I'm saying we need a VS C++, Arvind. You can install latest one also. Yeah. So these all are the folders created while installing the Windows machine, right? A Windows OS. So while installing the Windows OS, these are all the folders created by default. These are all the folders created by default. So in that you see guys, users. So users HP. So while rebooting my emission, right? My username is HP. So I will give the password. I will give the password and the username is HP. Right? So administrator is the, so here we have a two types of users. So here any OS we have a two types of users. So one is admin user, the other one is normal user. The HP user is the normal user. So I'm using the HP user. So again we have by default there is a administrator user is there for the Windows. So the normal user having some certain limit of permissions, but administrator have full permissions. Administrator can do anything, right? The same way in the Linux, who is the administrator, guys? Who is the administrator user? So administrator user is root. Administrator user is root. Root is a super user. Root is a super user in the CentOS 7. So Hari is the a normal user. Hari is the normal user. Guys, you will understand the difference between normal user and the admin user tomorrow. Okay?
Sir, through Linux commands only we will communicate with web server.
Yes. I will show you everything.
Okay,
So in the
sir.
CentOS 7, right? I will install the. So if you are in the curiosity, I will show you for you. The CentOS 7. I stopped. Show. Yeah. IP space A will not get the IP right /etc. So sysconfig network network scripts ifcfg CFG ENPS 03 having a IP address, no, 3 on boot, no, you need to set the on boot equal to yes. Guys, I will tell you this one. So I'm not discussing this one today because of you will get a lot of confusion. So Satred is asked something, right? I will show you that one. So yes. 9 on boot equal to yes. I need a IP address, guys. That's the reason I'm keeping yes. On boot equal to yes means while rebooting I need to get the IP address. So I'm reboot that mission. The reboot is one init 6 is the, guys, init 0 is for the shutdown the mission. So how you can shut down your Windows mission, guys? Just go to that go to the start button, go to that button and you can just shut down, right? But here in Windows everything through commands. What is the command for shutdown, guys? The command for the shutdown is init 0. Init 0 is for the shutdown. Init 0 is for the shutdown and init 6 is for a reboot. Init 6 is for the reboot, guys. So if you want to start if you after shutdowning init 0, after work you guys can do init 0. So if you want to start and click here, just you can click the start button, it automatically start, guys. Okay.
Sir, after
Yeah.
installing Linux, so we have to shut down Windows and as well as Linux operating system.
No, why do you need to shut down the Windows? No need to shut down the Windows. You just shut down only the Linux.
Through init 0 and
Through init 0. And first you need to log in. After the installation of OS, you need to log in. User as a root, password as a red hat. You need to set the password. Set the password red hat. So then IP space A. Yeah, I got the IP address. So 192.168.56.103. Yeah. So I'm connecting through putty. So 192.168.56.103 103 open. So then accept. So change settings, appearance, change 18. Okay. Okay. So what is the username, guys? Username is root. What is the password, guys? Password is red hat. What I said the password as a red hat, guys. So my server is in America, my server is in Europe, my server is in wherever you are. My server is in Hyderabad, my server is in Mumbai. So my data center is in Mumbai. I want to connect the server. How you can connect, guys? You can connect through putty. I will show you. No worries, guys. So what you see, what you asked Satreddy, you asked to install the Tomcat, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm installing the, instead of Tomcat, I'm installing the Apache HTTPD. HTTPD means Apache. Okay. Could not retrieve mirror list. Error was could not resolve error. One of the configured repositories are failed. Why are install HTTPD cd/etc dot repos dot d. Yeah, we have right install HTTPD. So it stopped, right? Because of I think, no worries. We need to set 1 second. Install the Java and Tomcat also not installing, right? Bad luck, Satyreddy. Install Java. Repo ID skip unavailable equal to true. Repo ID. So config manager and save set up repo ID. So cannot find the base URL of 7. Base URL of 7. What you need a multiple, right? Yeah, I will show you it in the AWS. Satyreddy. I'm showing it to you in the AWS. What is the username? Tech World with Hari, right? Not this is. Google Chrome. This is the void. This is sign in console. Suspended. Your web service sign in AWS was suspended because of account details could not be verified. Satyreddy, all the.
Sir, can you show tomorrow?
I will show you
Time.
tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow because of all the routes are blocked.
Sir, can we change the timings after the class? It is possible to change the timings of
So I have a continuous. I'm a real-time employee, Satyreddy, right?
Okay.
So in the morning I'm teaching the classes, in the evening also from 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, guys.
Thank
We'll continue from tomorrow, guys. Okay. I will show you tomorrow. Satyreddy. So what
Yes,
you
sir.
can do is, so if you have a curiosity, you can go to the my channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can go to the my channel, and I will show you that Tech World with Hari. Did you subscribe to my channel or not? No, no.
Today or tomorrow I will subscribe. Till now, not subscribed.
Very good. So I make IT, right? So if you go to the I make IT, Docker part, Kubernetes, you didn't understand Kubernetes, class 28, 22, 19, 19. guys can select what is this? This is a
Sir, in our laptop, we need to install any server, web server in
we
our
don't
laptop.
laptop. No need of laptop. So you just install the Linux. On the Linux, you installing the web servers. Okay.
Okay.
And just for practicing purpose, guys. So after 5 days, so we will install the. So we will log into the. We will sign up to the AWS. So everything will be done through the AWS. You just need a laptop with internet connection. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. We'll continue from tomorrow.